Okay, just to prove it works, I've already hammered it just to square it up a little. Look at that. You can see where I've been hammering it, but the best part is if it's heated up, it's the cork we need, not the coals. So after obviously the coals burnt, it leaves cork. That is what actually is better for the fire and better to heat up the metal. That's the whole idea of it. Obviously the air's still going through. It just takes literally minutes to heat it up to cherry or blood red, or even, you know, white hot, basically. Let's have a look. There you go. Let's just heat the tip up. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to stick it in part of my workshop here. That's where the bolt goes through, the lock. But I'm just, with one hand, that hand, my right hand, I'm going to put that red hot, or should I say blood red rod in here. With one hand I'm going to bend it, and just see how easy it is to bend when, you know, you can hot work it rather than cold work. It would take forever and it'd be all sorts of shapes. So let's have a look. There you go. Right, watch this. Okay, in it goes. Look at that. Oh, what a piece of piss. Look at that. Bring it out, and there you go. How about that? With one hand. Easy. No effort at all. So you can imagine, you know, if you're doing scrolls, you want to do twisted bar, shape bar, any sort of, you know, hexagon, round bar, whatever, square bar, that's the way to do it. So if I had a jig set up properly, I could make scrolls with flat bar, round bar, square bar, whatever I wanted. That is brilliant. That, I'm really pleased. Really, really pleased.